Hi guys, Elvira's back, and guess what? That meatloaf, I have the calorie count. It's 120 calories per slice, and you get 6 of them. And it's done, and it's moist. It's ready to come out. I'm going to show you guys here. And here's what it looks like. And look, it baked in its own juice. And we used just a little bit of that to have the Worcestershire. Look at that. How cool is that? Then, let's try a piece. I am dying. And I have to have ketchup on mine, guys. Ketchup is like, without meatloaf, ketchup has to have on my meatloaf. So, we'll try a piece here. And it didn't stick. There you go. As you can see, it's done. Let's taste it. Look how moist that is, guys. Look how moist. And there you have it. 120 calories for a slice of that meatloaf. And it's moist. Voila. That is just so good. Let's try it with a little bit of ketchup. Let's try it, guys. Very, very good. Traditional meatloaf, guys. Nothing hard about it. Nothing gourmet. Just a plain old meatloaf. It's 120 calories. 6 servings. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a blessed week. Enjoy your week at work. Enjoy everything. I hope you had fun cooking as much as I had fun cooking. See you next week. And have a blessed evening. Bye. God bless everybody.